Hello everyone, Checkmate here, and in today's video I will teach you how to subdivide, shade smooth and loop cut. First of all, how to subdivide. To subdivide an object, you have to first go into edit mode. You can do it by pressing tab key or going here and pressing edit. Now you are in edit mode. What you have to do is select the whole object that you want to subdivide it. You can press key A for this. After selecting the whole object, press right key on your mouse. When you press the right key, you will see this menu. Press on subdivide. Now this is subdivided for one time. If you want to increase the subdivide, you can go here on the bottom left corner and see this menu. You can manually subdivide it 10 times. Or you can put the number of how many times you want to divide it, like this. To reverse the thing you just did, press Ctrl Z. Now it is reversed. Now I will tell you how to loop cut. To loop cut, you have to go over the object in edit mode and press Ctrl R. When you can press Ctrl R, it will be selected. Right now it is in yellow line. That means it is not cutted right now, but you can do it by pressing left key on your mouse. You can increase the number of loop cut by moving your mouse middle key up and down like this, by scrolling your mouse key. Once you decided how many loop cut you want to do, press left key on your mouse like this, and now they are orange. While they are orange, you can move it through your mouse like this. If you do not want to move it and place it in the center, press right key and it will happen in the middle. You can do it from this angle too. Press R and then scroll your mouse key like this and press right key to do it in the center. Now let's delete the object by pressing X and delete. For shade smooth, we will get a UV sphere like this. To shade smooth, it is very easy. You can do it in the object mode. Select the object, press right mouse key, and you will see the first option, shade smooth. It is done. Once it is done, if you are not satisfied with the shading, you can press here on auto smooth. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please keep following the tutorials so you will learn 3D Blender. Thank you.